Have you ever wondered what the lights on Proxima B that James Webb found are? Welcome to the grand stage of the cosmos, a vast expanse dotted with celestial bodies that have intrigued humanity since time immemorial. Each twinkling star, each radiant galaxy, presents a myriad of mysteries waiting to be unraveled. As we journey through the cosmos, we find ourselves drawn to the allure of the unknown, the unexplored territories that lie beyond our home planet. Now let's shift our gaze a little closer to home, to the nearest star system to us, Proxima Centauri. This trio of stars, a mere 4.2 light-years away, is home to a fascinating exoplanet, Proxima B. Much like a child peering into a candy store, astronomers have been captivated by this celestial body, eager to uncover its secrets. Enter the James Webb Space Telescope, humanity's latest eye in the sky. Armed with a mirror larger than any other space telescope, an instrument sensitive to a wide range of light, it offers us a unique vantage point. With its unblinking gaze, it has peered into the darkest corners of the universe, shedding light on the cosmos's most profound mysteries. One of these mysteries is Proxima B, a planet that has been the subject of intense scrutiny and curiosity. As the James Webb Telescope observed this distant world, it detected something rather intriguing: lights. Yes, lights on an exoplanet in the Proxima Centauri system, a discovery that has sent ripples through the scientific community and sparked a flurry of questions. So, what are these lights on Proxima B that the James Webb Telescope found? Let's delve into the details. Before we dive into the lights, let's first understand the tool that discovered them, the James Webb Space Telescope. Imagine a space observatory so powerful, so advanced, it can peer into the furthest corners of the universe. That's the James Webb Space Telescope for you. Launched into space in the year 2021, this magnificent piece of engineering is a joint venture of NASA, the European Space Agency, and the Canadian Space Agency. Named after James E. Webb, the second administrator of NASA, this telescope was created with a singular mission: to unravel the greatest mysteries of the universe. But how does it do it? Unlike its predecessor, the Hubble Space Telescope, James Webb is designed to observe distant objects in the infrared spectrum. Why is this important? Well, by observing in the infrared, the telescope can penetrate dust clouds and reveal hidden stars or galaxies. It can also detect the faint glow of celestial bodies that are too dim or too distant for other telescopes to see. But the James Webb Space Telescope's capabilities don't stop there. It also boasts a massive gold-coated primary mirror, over 2.5 times larger than Hubble's. This gigantic mirror allows the telescope to collect more light, and thus observe objects in greater detail. So how does this all tie into the lights on Proxima B? Well, as part of its mission to study celestial bodies, the James Webb Space Telescope was pointed towards Proxima B, the nearest known exoplanet to us. And what it found was nothing short of extraordinary. With the help of this incredible observatory, the lights on Proxima B were discovered. But what are they? Now, onto the main question: what are these lights on Proxima B? As we delve into the mysteries of Proxima B, one question has intrigued astronomers and space enthusiasts alike. What are these lights we see? Well, the answer isn't as straightforward as you might think. Yet, the prevailing theory suggests that these lights are likely a result of the reflection from its parent star, Proxima Centauri. Imagine Proxima B like a giant mirror, reflecting the intense light of its star. This light then travels across the vast expanse of space, eventually reaching our telescopes here on Earth. The brightness and color of these reflections can tell us a lot about the planet itself, its surface, and potentially even its atmosphere. Speaking of atmosphere, this brings us to another intriguing possibility. Could Proxima B have an atmosphere that's causing such a reflection? You see, atmospheres play a crucial role in how a planet interacts with light. They can refract or bend light in various ways, causing different colors and intensities to be observed. So, could an atmosphere on Proxima B be the key to these lights? Well, it's a possibility that astronomers are eagerly studying. The presence of an atmosphere could have significant implications not just for the lights we see, but also for the potential habitability of Proxima B. As we speak, research and studies are ongoing to confirm these hypotheses. Scientists are using every tool at their disposal, from the Hubble Space Telescope to the newly launched James Webb Space Telescope, to unravel the secrets of Proxima B. Every new piece of data brings us one step closer to understanding this fascinating world. While the exact nature of these lights is still under investigation, the discovery has certainly sparked a new curiosity in the field of astronomy. So let's continue to gaze at the stars, wonder about the cosmos, and ask the big questions. After all, That's how we make the most astounding discoveries. The lights on Proxima B discovered by the James Webb Space Telescope have opened new doors for the exploration of our cosmos. We've journeyed together through the vastness of space, focusing our gaze on the intriguing lights emanating from Proxima B. This celestial body, the closest known exoplanet to us, has offered a spectacle of lights, a puzzle that scientists are eager to solve. Over the course of our discussion, we've delved into the intricacies of the James Webb Space Telescope, its capabilities and the pivotal role it plays in our continual quest to understand the universe. It's through this extraordinary piece of technology that we've been able to discern the lights on Proxima B, thus sparking an array of theories and excitement in the scientific community. The significance of this discovery is immense. It's not just about the lights themselves, but what they could represent: potential signs of atmospheric phenomena, geological activity, or perhaps even life. This revelation propels us further into the realm of space exploration, paving the path for future research and igniting our curiosity. As we continue to explore the universe, who knows what other mysteries we might uncover? Until then, the lights on Proxima B remain a fascinating topic of cosmic curiosity.